those amazing, amazing things that we can improve it. We can improve it. So run that central meridian. Now I want you to think about the most beautiful things on the planet. Think about the ocean and how amazing a sunrise or sunset is over the ocean. Breathe that in. Imagine a mountain climb. Imagine getting puffed as you're going up through there, knowing you need to do it more regularly. But as you get higher and higher into the mountains, how much more beauty there is, how far you are away from technology, from big agra. So we need to allow ourselves to feel and see the beauty within this place. I think it's Denmark that insists on its big agra landholders to grow 5% of their crops needs to be flowers for the bees. What an amazing government that is. Only 5%, but imagine what that's doing for the microbiome beauty of our planet that we need to be encompassing, we need to be thinking. I drink in beauty, I breathe in beauty all day, every day. We need to feel love in our hearts. We need to feel love in our hearts for this beautiful planet of ours, for the sunshine, for the rain, for the mountains, for the streams, for the ocean, but especially for those damaged little parts. The same way that we have empathy for a little child who's in hospital being damaged, we need to have empathy for Mother Earth. We need to do the things in our power on a daily basis to support the health of the air we breathe, to support the health of the water we drink, to support the health of the foods we eat, to support the health of the farmers who need to start turning back time. And if we don't choose to, as we go towards worsening health on the planet, as long as we're awake, get that serotonin, melatonin, dopamine, feel-good hormones up and running. Let's go there consciously. Let's go there with love and light. Let's go there with a heart full of joy because of this beauty of ours on this planet. I really would love you to go check out the interview with Del Bigtree and Zach Bush on thehighwire.com that's been released in the last day or two. Let me know what you think. Take care. Have a good one.